We've all noticed it. Where do all the birds go? In winter, they just seem to disappear. Okay? So, my theory is that they shed all their feathers and they burrow into the earth. What are your thoughts? Yeah, that might be true, but I think swallows, they form these large groups and then they fly over rivers and lakes and then dive into the water and spend the winter in there. Look how many swallows my mate's caught. No, 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 don't be preposterous. Birds can't breathe underwater. Yeah? It's obvious. They fly to the moon. Guys, couldn't they just fly somewhere where it's a bit warmer and then come back?